We then wiped it down using our multi-purpose foaming prep spray to remove any contaminants like road tar and dirt. Now there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes to ensure an OEM exact color match for your vehicle.
Once the color's on, you want to let that sit for about 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, and it will flatten out, like the color will kind of fill in.
On this rig, we're going to be using it essentially everywhere. I'm talking about inside the cab, under the cab.
All right, confession time, just being real. There is no paint we use in the shop more than Dupli-Color's black acrylic enamel.